I was recording Soul Knight earlier, but all the literal records just got poofed by one singular mistake. Like, dude, I've tried so much and I've failed so much, and yet the freaking videos just got corrupted and got deleted. Like, why? This is just so painful. I literally did like an intro and stuff, yet the freaking recordings just got deleted. Anyways, why am I even doing this? Why am I even doing this, bro? Next boss. 1, 2. Okay, go. 1, 2. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Devil's Snare again. This guy literally killed me. I literally have to just hide here and wait for him to open. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just literally blast him. Just blast him while dodging. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Luckily, this is just my first death. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And kapoosh! Finally. At least we're finally getting somewhere. Don't tell me this is the giant. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. At least this is just prehistoric Colossus and not the giant. Oh, 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 I'm just like that. Inherited bug. Go attack. 1, 2, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. No. No, don't die, don't die. Don't die, don't die, don't die. No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And no, 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 no. Oh, almost died. No. I'm tired. I'm just gonna post this and yeah, goodbye.